In Shapespark, lighting is baked into a light map, which means the light and shadows are pre-rendered and saved as a texture. This makes your scene load and run faster, even on mobile devices, and it gives you high-quality, realistic lighting without heavy performance cost. Since baking takes time, it's best to use Bake Preview while setting up your lights. Bake Preview is a real-time preview mode that shows you how lighting changes will look without having to bake the scene each time. This way, you can test different settings and positions quickly, and only do the full bake once everything looks right. To set up your lighting in Shapespark, start by enabling Bake Preview in the Bake tab. Then, go to the Lights tab. Here you can turn lights on and off, or add new ones. If you don't have any lights in your scene yet, you can start from adding the sunlight. Click plus Sun to add sunlight. Bake Preview updates automatically when you change the view or adjust settings, so you can instantly see how the sun affects your scene. You can tweak its strength, color, and position in real time. You can also fine-tune emissive materials here. Above the countertop, I'm adding some area lights. Just like with the sun, you can adjust their size, color, and intensity. I'll adjust the size of the area light. Then copy it by clicking the copy icon on the list, and just move it into place. Now they're instances, so I can adjust their properties simultaneously. This makes it quick and easy to set up consistent lighting across your scene. With Bake Preview, you get a clear idea of how your lighting will look before you bake, saving time and making setup much easier.